Today we have a video from Crime Time Cam, and the title of the video is When Your Midnight McDonald's Run Ends in Felony Charges.
On August 3rd, 2024, officers conducted a traffic stop on an impaired driver.
Where were you coming from before that?
West Broad.
So you've been at West Broad all day?
West Broad. Coming this way, baby. I was coming this way. I was going to McDonald's. But I missed a shot, so I came this way.
Okay. You run McDonald's.
So I guess that's why he said failure to maintain lane, whatever.
Okay. Have you had anything to drink tonight, alcohol-wise?
I had 2 shots.
2 shots? What were the shots?
Huh?
Like, would you prefer vodka, tequila? What were you drinking on?
Tequila.
Tequila? Okay.
I'm not drunk, though.
I'm not saying that you are, hon. I'm just
Y'all want to breathalyze me?
Well, first, before we get to that,
As a matter of fact, yes, we would love to.
just to make sure that you are safe to drive before we let you go, I would like to run some field sobriety on you just to make sure that you're good. And then if you're good, then you'll go on your way, okay?
Okay.
Okay? All right, what we're going to do, let's just walk down here to the parking lot down here, and we'll go from there. You got somebody in your
You
car?
want to leave my car here?
It's okay. Let me get somebody else up here if you'll hang out with me.
You're fine.
Yeah,
Hey,
the
we're here
deputy's
together,
right
so
here.
we're good. We're good, bro.
Cool, thank you. Deputy's going to sit with me if we can. We're just going to come down there to that flat parking lot, and we're going to go from there.
Can I grab my phone?
Where's your phone at?
In my car. I just for my safety. I just want to know I'm okay.
You're okay. You're okay.
Just in case anything.
You're okay. Your phone's okay. It's going to stay in the car, okay? But we're going to walk down here.
But I just want to give you some.
Would you throw your backlights off for me? Yeah, McDonald's is a good choice. What was you going to get at McDonald's?
Huh?
What was you going to get at McDonald's?
I was going to get that $5 meal deal.
There's some nuggets, maybe a McChicken.
Sauce. I'm going to give me a hot tea, no ice.
Oh, that's the best drink. Me and you are alike.
Yeah.
All right, so if you'll just hang out right there for me. Do you have any type of head injuries or anything that would prevent you from following my finger with your eyes? Like a concussion?
So, one more time, I'm sorry.
It's okay. Do you have any like head injuries or head trauma that would prevent you from following my finger? Okay. Would you remove your glasses for me?
Okay.
I know it's right next to you, so you'll be able to see. I promise. Okay.
You sure? Because I'm blind, baby.
I am too. Believe me. Look at mine. My glasses are incredibly thick. Okay. So what you're gonna do? I'm gonna have you follow the tip of my finger with your eyes and eyes only. Okay. Without moving your head. So it's
So, like, without going like
without
this?
doing like this, you're just gonna follow with your eyes.
Okay.
And put your hands down by your side if you don't mind.
I'm gonna put it right.
Yeah, that's fine. I won't step on them, I promise. All right, you understand the instructions?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right, you see my finger? All right.
Failed.
I'm doing good, right?
Go ahead and blink. Take a good pause. And remember, just move your eyes. Don't move your head.
My
okay?
eyes, okay.
Just your eyes, okay.
Stay straight. I can see
Stay on the
you.
finger. You guys stay on the finger.
Okay, I'm sorry.
We'll try one more time.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Would it help if I used a pen? Maybe?
Yeah, pen.
Okay, let's do that.
You trying to play with me, sir?
I'm not playing with you. I've done this 1,000 times. I'm not playing with you.
Okay, I'm sorry.
All right, you want to try again?
Yes,
All
one
right.
more time. I'm sorry.
All right.
I just feel like you should.
I must say, I like this officer, man. He keeping it professional, but he is a charmer, okay? Good guy, make a little small talk, get a little McChicken and nuggets. We both 4 eyes, I like it. You know what I'm saying? Listen, who knows? This could be a love connection, okay? They giggling and okay.
I'm not just I do have to read this to you, okay? It's mandated by state law that I have to read this to you.
I passed though. You tripping?
So, ma'am, what your eyes are telling me is that you're above a point.
My eyes.
But look,
I walked and everything. What are you talking about? Is your camera on?
It is.
What's your badge number?
Here we go.
Okay, what's your supervisor?
Him, who just watched this entire test.
That is not your supervisor.
Do you see the 3 stripes on his shirt? That means supervisor. I'm not
What's your
calling
name?
anybody
Badge
out.
number. Can I please get it?
Deja, we've been so
Okay,
nice. We've been so nice,
tired of
okay?
talking. Y'all already from lock me. I don't give a fuck no
All
more.
right. The state of
Fuck.
Georgia has
man.
conditioned your privilege to drive upon the highways of the state. Upon your submission, the state administers
Come
chemical
on,
tests of your
bro.
blood, breath, urine, or other bodily substances for the
Breathalyze
purpose
me.
of-
How about
of
that?
determining if you're under the influence of alcohol
Can you
or drugs.
breathalyze me?
If you refuse this testing, your Georgia
I have the
driver's
right to get
license or
breathalyzed,
privilege-
right?
If you'll listen to what I'm saying, I'm trying to
Can you
offer that
breathalyze me,
opportunity.
though?
Stop talking and listen.
I don't
want to
stop talking now because you don't piss me off. I don't did all this for
If
nothing.
you
At
refuse
this
this
point,
testing, your Georgia driver's
I don't
license
wanna
or
talk.
privilege
Just
to
go
drive
ahead
upon
and
the
send me
highways
up
of the
there.
state will be suspended for a
I
limited
don't
period
care.
of 1 year. Your refusal to
Come
submit
on,
to
send
blood
me
and
up
urine
there.
testing
You
may
don't
be
piss
offered
me
as
off,
evidence
bro.
against
For
you
real,
at
real
trial.
talk.
If you submit the
You done
testing
made
and
me
the
mad,
results
sir.
indicate an alcohol concentration of 0.08
I'm not
grams or
alcohol
more,
concentration.
your Georgia driver's
Breathalyze me.
license
How
or
about that?
privilege to drive upon the highways of the state may be
Breathalyze me.
suspended for a minimum period of 1 year.
Breathalyze.
He's got to read that.
Bro, I don't give a fuck.
Doesn't matter.
Breathalyze me.
let me keep
Did you
going.
call my grandmother?
I did, but now we're just going to tow the car because you're not.
No, you can't do that. I have the right.
Chemical test of
You
your
don't.
blood, breath, urine,
I-
other bodily
I don't.
substances.
All right. What's
At
your badge
own
number?
risk and from qualified
Meet
personnel of your
him.
own choosing.
All
Will
right.
you submit
Badge
to
number,
this?
sir.
Will you submit to the state administered
Badge number,
chemical
sir.
test of your blood?
The other officer, which is the supervisor or whatever, should have just kind of stayed quiet a little bit and let him get through it, even though she's talking or whatever. But the other officer is distracting her now. So it's like, come on, like, just let him get through it. If she's going to talk through it, whatever, but let him get through it, though. Because now it's a distraction. I thought this was a love connection. Now that she got some bad news, she probably going to jail. Now the angry side of her come out, man. Damn.
I have the right to get your badge
And you're
number.
going to get it. Answer
All right, what's your? I don't give a fuck
what
what your. I'm sorry.
Will you submit to the state administered chemical test of your breath?
Can I get your badge number?
It's a yes or no question. I'm going to read it one more time, and then I'm going to take it as a no, okay?
2248.
Will you
You
submit
have the
to
right.
the state administered chemical
Go
test of your
ahead.
breath? Okay.
Bro, this is crazy. And what? This is crazy, bro. This is insane. What the fuck?
All right, Mr. Agent, will you get your shoes on?
I don't want my shoes on. This is crazy.
So you want to be barefoot for the rest of the night?
Yes. Just put my shoes in my car, please.
Okay.
Hold on, wait. You ain't gotta be so aggressive. Wait. Hold on, wait. My shoes in my car. Hold on. Is she coming to get my car? Hello?
Is there an intox operator that can meet me downtown, please?
This is crazy. Like, y'all is tripping. Y'all really tripping. This is insane. Like, what the hell?
Okay, I don't want
Can
you
you
to-
breathalyze me?
That's where we're going.
Okay, is your camera on,
About to
sir?
be en route in just a moment.
Is your camera on?
It's been on this entire time.
Okay, may I review it?
You have the right to request an open records
Yeah, all
request.
right, let me see
but that's
it.
not going to happen right now.
Why not right now? Wait, hold
Because
on.
that's not how things
Hold
work.
on. May I at least see that someone come and get my
Goddamn,
car
these
before
lights.
y'all try to impound? Because I got someone to come and get my car. I have the right to call somebody to come get my car.
So your car is on a public road. You don't have the right to come for somebody to come get it. We can tow it if we want. Like, we were trying to be nice to you, but then
How
And
are
here's
you
what
trying
I'm
to
gonna
be nice
decided
to
that
you
you
me?
to
didn't
do.
want to do that.
I'm going to call that woman you asked me to call back in 5 minutes. Like I told her I was going to. And if she's able to get somebody here within that 10-minute time frame,
She having she.
then I'm going to allow her to pick it up.
Do you have anything on you?
I did not. I'm not
Mr. Agent,
intoxicated.
do
You did
you
not
have-
even breathalyze me. Like, what the? Breathalyze me.
That's where we're going, Mr. Agent.
Okay, breathalyze.
How old are you?
It don't matter at this point. You locking me up. You got my name and shit. Come on, bro.
Oh, I just figured I'd ask you before I did the
I don't
math.
have nothing in my pocket, so you don't even
Well,
have the
I
right to
tried to
search me.
ask-
You're
Oh,
a
I do.
male.
You're
I
under
do have
arrest.
the right to search you.
You
Because
don't.
I'm a
A
male,
female
not me.
is supposed to search me. I know
No,
my rights.
that's not
Come
my
on
law.
now.
You not know you're right.
I do know my rights.
That's not by
you.
law, actually. But you can go
It
and
is.
step in the car,
You
okay?
cannot do all that, sir.
You can go and step in the car.
And your camera on, right?
It's been
Cameras
this
are
whole
on.
time.
All right.
Step forward so we can open this door.
No,
Yes, ma'am. You got it.
no.
All right.
Now step in the car.
No, I
Ain't no
want to
need
get
for
the
all that.
camera
Mr. Asia,
first.
I will
Sir,
forcefully put you in this car if you
Ma'am.
don't go yourself.
look, sir.
Ma'am, you need to stop. What's up with all this?
Sir,
Okay. Oh, you're good. You're good.
you gotta push me.
Let's trade.
Oh, the camera is
go
on,
ahead and get
sir.
you to do that.
The camera is on, sir. Excuse me.
Hey, trade with me again.
I was going to come this way.
Come in the car. There's
Okay,
no
you're
reason
stepping
to
in
do
the
all
door.
that, sir.
Thank you.
There
Please
is
step
no
in now.
reason. Badge number. Can I?
You're right. There was no reason to do all of that if you just complied. You don't want to comply, so now there's a reason to do all of that. Do you think the officers want to do that? No. Do you think the officers want to get in use of forces or force people to do certain things, get in a car and, no. officers really just want to be able to give you the command and you comply with the command and it could go smooth. But all this extra stuff is because people don't want to act right.
What's your badge number? What's your name? Listen, what's your name and your badge number?
Ma'am.
Can I get your badge number?
You need to stop yelling.
You're already going to fucking jail. Fuck you, stupid ass.
48, so the front actual left.
Taking your handcuffs off.
Cause that shit tight.
Ma'am?
What the hell happened? How they get?
Ow!
Yeah.
Damn, they threw her on the rocks. Oh, shit.
Y'all some bro. Y'all some
Doing this.
y'all some
Doing
you
this.
need to laugh me. Yeah, you're
There
getting
was zero
fired. Yeah. You're not no
Yeah.
job.
Are we gonna
I don't give a
put on
fuck.
tape?
Y'all supposed to fucking
No.
court.
Yeah, that's
Y'all supposed no for the
her
last
response
time.
to
Get no cuff on me. The fuck you.
her response to do you want to
You not gotta do a
fly?
no you, bitch. You ain't doing tell me to do a mother.
Ma'am, have a seat for us. You're making us
Stop being so.
have a seat.
You gonna fix
I've
my.
treated you like
Are
one
you
this whole
gonna
time.
be-
Hey,
No,
come
you
through
being
the back.
rude.
No, man, you
And I
are.
like that you, Michigan.
I was being nice
Why
to
you
you.
want to be like that? Why? No, don't do that.
You not. Pass it over. Rip up.
Don't fuck.
No, we are.
Don't do that.
You know why?
Don't do that.
Ma'am, stop.
That
Stop.
hurt. That hurt. For real.
Yes.
Stop.
Yes, it does.
Stop. Okay, stop. For real. That hurt. Okay, I'ma chill.
You're
That
gonna
hurt,
chill?
That hurt. That hurt. I'ma stop.
Keep chilling.
Oh, that hurt.
Ma'am.
Can I call
Why?
people?
No, we're towing your car.
Hell no.
No, we are. Ma'am.
Ow! Stop! Stop!
Okay, stop.
Ow,
Hold on.
stop!
Stop.
Stop! Oh!
We are. Do not move. Ma'am,
Oh.
stop moving. I need everyone to stop.
Stop! I'm gonna chill for real. That hurt!
Yes.
Stop for real. Let me. That hurt!
Yes, ma'am, it does. Stop.
No! Let me get my grandma to get my car!
Let me hold her feet while you put it
I got a child,
I got it.
bro. Please, bro. I got a child, bro. Stop!
under.
Ow! Yeah!
Is there a chain on this door?
The woman was charged with a DUI and resisting arrest. Thanks for watching today's video.
See? And I knew they had some chemistry. That's why the lady said in the beginning, she said, or not in the beginning, but just a couple of minutes ago, she said, "Why you being so mean? And I liked you, Michigan." See, I knew there was chemistry in the beginning. They hee ha ha, chicken McNuggets. Okay. I said, oh. As soon as I open my mouth and say, yeah, I think there might be a connection here. Boop. There go the attitude switch when she got some bad news, man. It's over. It's over. You knew you've been drinking, so you know they was gonna run you through the ringer. That's it.